Hey everybody, this video is going to go over graphing a function of the form f of x equals ax plus b fractional slope. So when we graph functions, there's lots of tools in our toolbox. We can plug in points, for this problem we could find the y-intercept and use the slope, or we can use parent functions. The parent function of a line is y equals x. And we know that function has a point at 0, 0, and then a slope of 1. Now if we wanted to use transformations, we would know that we're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then each of these points, so this point at 1, 1 is going to kind of get stretched out and go to 1, 2, 3, 5. So now we're kind of more stretched and have a smaller slope. Remember, with lines, all you need is 2 points and then you can connect them. So that is graphing a function of the form f of x equals ax plus b.